Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are decorating a spread in my new horizontal layout classic size happy planner. I did not use this planner for journaling at all in January. January was just a crazy month for me. So I am officially getting into planning in February. So yeah. No shame in my game over here. The stickers I'm using are available in my shop, 30% off. These are called Mint Planner. I'm using the large sheet, small sheet, and probably the mini sheet a little bit. Also using the decorative boxes. And I'm going to be using Motivational Quotes 3. So for this spread, I am just trying something a little different. I'm going to make a lot of clusters. You'll see that this spread at the end turns out really cute. So yeah, just doing a voiceover now because when I filmed this, I just had a lot of noise and things going on in the background here at home. So I actually had a rough week last week. I mentioned this in my last couple videos, just with a lot of pain and anxiety and whatnot. So I'm a little late to getting this voiceover done, but better late than never, right? So also mentioned in my last video that I do have a couple new videos coming after this one. I have a pen haul from Amazon. It's kind of a small pen haul, but I just wanted some new pens and some new highlighters, so figured I'd share those with you guys. And then also I do have a new setup for my catch-all. I dove in headfirst into A5 again, so it's been a couple years since I've tried A5 and we're going to give it a go again. So stay tuned for that video. Also stay tuned for some new items in my shop as far as dashboards and planner cards. I'm going to be working on some new stickers here shortly too. So head over to pleasantlyplanned.com, use the code in all capital letters stickers and the number 3030. That will save you 30% off of all stickers in my shop. And then make sure while you're there to sign up for emails. I think down at the bottom of the homepage you can sign up for emails. That way you get emails with new releases, sneak peeks, as well as special coupon codes for new releases. So I think I'm going to play a little bit of music through the rest of this video. And then we should be back to normal programming with no voiceovers for next week's Plan With Me's. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, I hope you will give it a thumbs up when it's finished. Make sure if you're not subscribed to my channel and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow me over on Instagram. Don't forget to head to my website, pleasantlyplanned.com. So that is it for this voiceover. Enjoy the music, and I'll see you on my next video. Love you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye y'all.